Hey guys, it is MJ here, and I am back with my Walking Dead Saints and Sinners series. This is episode 2. Last episode, it was pretty much just a tutorial showing you guys how the game works and me finding this bus that we're supposed to live in while we're playing the game. So yeah, if you want to see more of this series, just let me know. Okay, I honestly haven't played this game in a good 5 months, which is probably really bad since I said I wanted to do a series on this game. But yeah, let's see what we have to do. We have to use the skiff to travel to the shallows, search the blue mansion for a microphone, install the battery Henry left in the bus, install the antenna Henry okay. I know we have the antenna and the battery all in here. Why does this actually feel heavy? Even though it's not, I think it's just my brain telling me it's heavy, but this looks like it feels heavy. I don't know how to explain that. Forward. Probably should have put it in the other hand. I don't know why I grabbed it with my left hand. We have this. Okay, that, we have another task? Oh, that was the task. Okay, so now we need to use the skiff to travel to the shallows. Okay. Do I need to bring anything? I don't think I have anything left in here. Bullets. Oh, no thank you. Bring those. What is this? Medicine. I don't think I need the health right now. My stomach looks good, I think. So we're just gonna put that in my bag. What is here? Arrows. 6. Okay. Another. Oh, that's 5. So I have 10 arrows. Should I search the area and see if we have anything else? Please don't come at me, zombies. Oh, I kind of want to go over there. I think we're going to stay. What? What? Is this a shrine? Oh no, it's broken almost. Should we take it anyway? I think we're just going to take it. Can we use that? Can I, like, use that to, like, hurt someone? Hold on. Did it save the arrow? No, it didn't save the arrow in my inventory. I could have used that to, like, stab someone in the eye if I needed to. Okay, wow, the sunset's actually very beautiful in this game. I'm not even gonna lie. But I remember the boat being over here. Hello, dead body. Okay. Now we're going is that the place? I think it's this place. I think we're there, right? No. Point, not grab. I always have trouble with this. There we go. Oh. Okay, we're almost done with our first mission. Now we need to search the blue mansion for a microphone. Do we have a blue mansion over here? Oh my god, I thought that was a walker. Hello, I remember you. I watched a video with you.
He begged me not to let it happen. My husband.
Just gonna repeat yourself.
He begged me not to let it happen, but I just couldn't pull the trigger. It was all I had left, but I failed him. I'm so ashamed. I just can't bring myself to do it. I need someone else to end this nightmare.
I will put him to rest.
You will?
I just need to get this mission done, lady. Give me the clues or whatever.
Take this key. I locked Ruben in a room.
Okay.
Second floor.
Thank you.
Of the blue mansion, just up the street.
7th floor? You have 7 floors?
Your watch. Looks like you've got the alarm in sync with the chiming bells that rile up the walkers.
Yeah, apparently. That is a bell.
Don't
yeah.
want to be caught out in the open when this place is overrun by the dead. And one last request. Ruben's
nothing too hard.
Man. If you could retrieve it, it would mean so much to me. At least I can carry one small token with me.
I mean, I guess I can do that.
Children, I have nothing. They're just gone. I never even got to say goodbye.
Yeah, I can do that. Sure. Now, where is this house at? I low-key forgot. Oh, there's stuff. What is this? Dog food. It's open. You can still eat that, right? Take that. Oh. I just broke them. We can use that as a weapon, actually. Okay, nothing over here, so I think we're just gonna go to the mansion now, which I think is that one right there. Can you see that right there? Yeah. Okay, I don't want to waste any of my, like, gun bullets. Well, I'll put that back real quick. So, I think I'm just gonna see if I can just use... I want to use this candlestick as, like, a weapon. You think that'd work? You just, like, smash it in their head or something? What is that? What is that? Heart of Darkness by... But what does that say? I don't even know. Ooh, there's a lock. Can I recycle this? Can't lock much without a key. Okay, we're gonna recycle that. See if we can do anything with that. Hello? Ooh, there's a walker. Okay, it worked. There's another one. Come on, bad boy. I got something for you too. Come on. Come on, I got something for you. Whew. Wow, this candlestick does work well. Whew. Where were we going again? Blue house, blue mansion. Which I don't quite know where I'm supposed to go. Oh. Oh. Bro, they're coming out of nowhere. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Bro, they're literally coming out of nowhere. Go somewhere. Come on. Why do they just appear everywhere? I know this is a zombie apocalypse, but seriously. Come on. Ugly. Okay. Where am I supposed to go? I swear these walkers are like very scary. Especially when you're in like VR. It's just like terrifying to like just watch them come at you. At least for me. I don't know if anyone else feels that way. Is there anything over here? Okay, I think this is the blue house. It looks blue. Is there anything in here? Ooh, come on. Come on, little walker. Come on, little walker. Come on, little walker. Dang, that was a fast one. Okay. What's in here? Propane tank. What's that? Is that a toy? Okay, there's... Ooh. There's a soda. Can we drink that? I'm gonna drink that. A little dehydrated. What's that? Ooh, a lighter. Okay, we can use that, I guess. Oh my god, is that ammo? Hold on, stay right there. I'm gonna keep that. That's such a score right there. Oh no. I think they saw the flashlight, y'all. Come on, I got enough for you too. Boom. Don't mess with me. Ooh, something's up there. Are there any more zombies out here? Can I quickly crawl up here? Come on. Come on. Come on, I got this. I got this. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I heard that zombie. Ooh, let's turn this on. Okay, what do we have in here? Ooh, matches. Keep that. What is in here? Ooh, there's a gaming headphones. That's a score right there. Okay, what else do we see? There's shoes. I don't think we need shoes. I think we're good on shoes. That does not look... That's a little scary. There's a clock. Ooh, more bullet. Give me! Only 4. Okay. Better than nothing, I guess. We could have 0. Oh god, I hate the controls in this game. I swear it goes like the opposite way. Oh my god, is that roaches? Those are either roaches or like real particles. Oh, roaches. If there's a rat, there's roaches. Hey. 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 Come here. Oh, another one. Okay. Well, that one's gone. Where's the... Okay. Push that open. Can I close this? Hold on. Where's... take out this knife. Can I close this door, please? Right there. I don't want anything getting in behind me while I'm up here. Oh, I think that's the husband, y'all. Come here. Wow. You died recently. What is this?
My dearest Corinne, I lied to you. I am sorry.
Oh, a gun!
I had to spare you.
Rad.
A lost hope. Our children
Full.
died by
Hold on,
my
no.
hand. I had to set them free to protect
Oh my
them
God,
from
he
a
killed his
fate worse than
children?
death. I know you will never be able to forgive me, but
What is
maybe
wrong with this man?
one day you will understand.
I wouldn't
that
like him
had
either.
No choice. They did not suffer. Take comfort in that.
That looks real small.
Reuben.
Is this the child? Gosh, there's so much blood. Why would he do that to them? Where's my journal? Do I still need to do something? Microphone? What? Is there a microphone up here? I don't recall there being a microphone. Where's that dead body? I know she wanted us to get like a wedding band. Oh, where does his body go? Where'd that guy's body go? What? Why did he like disappear? I'm gonna put that back. Can I open this? Was that a Twinkie? Was that a Twinkie? Oh, score.
Ugh.
What is that? Box of razors. Can I open that? How do I bend down? What is that? No, we don't want that. Wait, actually. My character probably hasn't brushed her breath in a while. But I don't know where a microphone is. Microphone? Microphone. Oh, yeah. What is this? Canned tuna? Cigarettes? Okay. We kind of hit the jackpot with this place. I think we have everything we need. Oh, shh. Crap. Come on, old lady. God, why are there so many of you in this house? Okay. Can we go out the front door? I think we're just gonna go out the way we came. Why'd that open? I don't know why that opened, but I'm leaving. Okay, we went down this thing. I think. Yeah, this is the room. Oh, There's like a crowd of them. I don't know if I want to go down there. Ooh, let's hope they can get over here. Ooh, come on, come on. Let's run to that lady. Crap. Just get away. Oh my god! Come on, come on. Who's next? I got plenty of time. Who's next? Who's next? Whew. Oh my god, I'm never doing anything for this old lady again. Where's the lady? God, that's... Do I still have my gun? Okay, I do still have it. God, that's terrifying. I hate those zombies. Now I'm sick. I did all this to get her a wedding band.
You're looking deathly ill. Is it
No
over?
God, where's this wedding band? Here.
I recovered the ring.
I'm literally shaky, y'all. Y'all can't even see it in real life, but
This means the world to me.
oh my god, that
The only
scared me
reminder
so
of life
bad.
Before all of this, Ruben was a good husband and an amazing father.
Do I still have medicine? Nope. I'm just gonna have to use this bandage. Should we tell her he killed her children? I mean, if I was a mother, I probably wouldn't want to hear this. Because we should just let her remember the good times, even though her husband was a monster.
Hold on to the good memories. They
Yeah.
keep you sane.
I'm sorry.
Here's the code to the safe as promised. I hope that whatever's inside will prove useful. Safe journey.
Where is it? Appreciate you. This is my girl right there. Okay. Now I'm getting out of here because this place is literal hell and I fought too many zombies. Bon voyage. Okay, we made it back, so I think we're gonna complete the radio and then the video is probably gonna end there. And then we'll see what other task we have for next video. So that's gonna be fun. We already, okay. I think we got everything. Now we just need, where's that mic? Where does this go? There? Ooh, okay, we complete the radio. Okay, so this is just us tuning it. Okay, we're gonna save that for next video.